up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Welcome back to the table where everybody eat. Do your boy a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's jump straight into it because right now we got a lot of stocks going crazy, going ham in the market, such as ticker symbol ATNF, 180 Life Sciences Incorporated. A couple of days ago, matter of fact, a couple of weeks ago. Let me see if I can find that thing over in Stock Alert. Speaking of, there'll be a link below in the description and put in the top of the chat for the Discord community. Everybody eat. And we currently have a 3-day free trial going on. So that way, if you guys join the community, you don't like what you see, you ain't making no money, go ahead, cancel that thing. You get up out of there, man. But like I say, link is below in the description. And right now in the general chat section, we going over ticker symbol BLSH, bullish, which I believe is going to be like a crypto reserve or a crypto trading platform. I don't know, but I know one thing for sure, two things for certain. That guy, Peter Thiel, has his hands all up in this stock right here, along with ATNF, which I alerted the Discord community about this stock and stock alert. It's a while back, man. It's a while back. Somewhere in July. Somewhere in July. Where we at with it? Where we at with it? Where we at with it? Nope, that ain't it. Nope, that ain't it. God dog, boy. I'll be throwing them things out there. Like I say, man, link is below in the description if you guys want to see what is at the table where everybody eat. Matter of fact, it's right here. July 25th. Ticker symbol ATNF. Highly upset. I was too fearful to buy this at $2.30 in the pre-market before the 8 a.m. pop. As you see from this 5-minute chart, the price was above all moving averages and threading the needle. This low flow potential runner has been on my radar since last week. No price levels as it's still climbing while I make this post, bringing us to somewhere around here. I told them yesterday in the pre-market, boy, we've been acting a fool. We been acting a fool in this thing. Nope, 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 nope. That ain't it. Let's see. Coming up somewhere around here. Right here. Yesterday at 3:34 a.m. Matter of fact, pre-market didn't even open. I told them how ATNF was a frequent stock alert as the premium folks, which is the people that paid to get in the Discord, because at one point we had them free slots, if you guys recall, on a couple of videos. But I told them we had ample time to accumulate from $2.60 to $3.60, major after hour pop, and could double, triple, quadruple from here. Not financial advice. And bringing us back to this thing over here. Look at that right there, boy. And it's not moving right now. It's moving, so it's not halted. You seen when we started this video, we were sitting at that $15 area. And I also told them back in the Discord, somewhere around here, where we at with it? Where we at? Right here. If ATNF maintain above $15.36, there's hope, and the next target is 17.86. Break the pre-market high, I'll probably scalp again at 21.47 to 22.42. Not financial advice. I'm not no expert or no advisor. Any downside, I like more around 11.40 to 12.54, and below that, I'm walking away gracefully to observe price action. I know I'm moving fast. I know I'm going, but hey, I got to get back to my people in the Discord because right now the market is on the tear. So ATNF now is sitting at $16.30. It's up 59% since yesterday's close. I believe around $10.24. Don't hold me to it. Bringing us to the chart. You see, we got a couple of levels that I tried to draw up because this thing moved so quick and so fast. Oh yeah, quick note. Peter Thiel, the guy that's involved with Bullish, being that's IPO on today, ticker symbol BLSH. Word or rumor has it that he also took stake in this company, I think Sunday night or somewhere over the weekend, basically, which also played a major part in this thing movement. But I knew it was gonna move like this beforehand, as you seen from that post back in July in the Discord. So right now on the daily chart, we got this massive gap up. This thing is continuing to run, but I'm gonna go ahead and bring us down to the 4 hour time frame. And what I like on the 4 hour time frame right now is all the moving averages continue to shoot higher. We got the 9 coming into that $10.24 zone. And typically I'm on trading view. So you guys actually getting a freebie for real, for real. Y'all are lucking up. So I hope you guys like and subscribe to this channel. But the 9MA is running into that 1024 zone. If we get above that zone, this thing could go back to the pre-market high somewhere around that $19.24, which if we get above 19.24, my targets on ATNF would be 19.57, 21.47, and then 22.42. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we are riding the 9MA pretty good. As you can see right here, we have not fell below it at all or closed below it at all since the breakout back on August 11th, which was just the day before yesterday. So we've been riding the 9 moving average pretty good or pretty well thus far. We had this wick right here come and test it. We got the body of this candle right now that actually held above it. You see, we got this red candle in the pre-market that tried to break below the 9 on the 1 hour, couldn't do it. And right now, here we are, possibly about to break this top right here. So if we get over this 1658, go ahead, I'm about to do that for myself right now, live in effect for y'all, but live in effect for myself. Get above that 1658. That will be the next leg up for me to go towards that 1924. Going to the 30-minute time frame, we got a nice hold of the 21 MA, and we got the 9 MA starting to do a little curl upward. You see, we had a lot of weakness coming in right here, but the buyers are pushing this thing up. The MACD is trying to cross back above that signal line, so that is fairly good. But you see, we got a lot of weakness right here in that $16 area. So again, like I told them in the Discord, if we can maintain above 1536 throughout the day, then that shows us that the buyers are strong, the sellers are weak, and I mean we could continue higher. No guarantees, not financial advice. Going to the 15-minute time frame. All right, so now in the lower time frame, now I see where the problem lies a little bit. If the 9 MA cannot cross back above that 21 MA, and the MACD needs to cross above that signal line, so we need two things to give us confirmation. We need the MACD to cross above that signal line, which is the blue line, as well as the 9 MA to definitely get above the 21. And as we have continued weakness right now on this particular 15-minute candle right now, going into 10 o'clock, if we close below this 21 and close below the 9, then this area right here of 1533, that's crazy. 'Cause I just said we need to stay above that zone. And this area right here will possibly be a problem. I don't do 5 minute, but I'll do it for some of you guys right here. 5 minute, what I'm seeing is MACD has crossed above the signal. It is in positive territory. I mean, it's slightly in positive territory, though. It's barely above in positive territory. We got the 9. It needs to get above the 20 or the 21, the 72, and definitely needs to hold price action because if we come through on a 5 minute, fall below this 9 MA and up, we testing it, and it's not good. If we fall below that area, then hey, maybe we'll come down to that 1142, which coincides with the area I said I wanted to get in the Discord. But thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that link below if you guys want to come sit with us at the table where everybody eat. Much love. We out.